Okay, guys, well, we're here at his base. But he's not here. That's what he wants you to think. He really is lurking somewhere in here. But I don't know, like, this place is weird. Also, there's not enough of us. He's really tall. If we lose, we won't lose if we do this correct. We are justice and we need to be served on a tray. It's the best that we can get. Don't worry. I'll do the work. At least some. Needed all of you. So all of you can help me. And all of you are great fighters. So let's take on whatever comes our way. Everybody, scatter. Oh, Peep, follow me. All right. Oh, do you hear them? Not really. I can only hear through this very well. Guys? Could possibly be wrong. Oh my God. Hello, Grover. Boy, was I expecting you. You. What do you want from us? What is so good about us? Oh, there's so much more than you think. Might just be you. What? No, I'm not good enough for this. Get ready for a battle of a lifetime. Well, might seem like we're defeat, but we outnumber them. Charge! Ah! Bye-bye. Get ready for a battle of a lifetime. Oh, I'm ready. Let's dance. Oh, please. Oof! I'll deal with this the easy way. Oh. Ah! Who's next? Oh, it's not just who, it's whose. Oh God! Ah! Ah! Who's go next? All of us. Charge! Ah! What? Ah! What do you have next? Bring it on. I need some help. I think that's far enough. Come on, let's get ready for the next battle. Oh.